I'm attorney Tim Semelroth with RSH Legal. After a serious Iowa semi-truck accident, your mind may be swirling with questions. One of the top questions you're probably asking yourself is, what can I do to get justice for my injuries? If your truck wreck caused severe injuries or a significant amount of medical care, you will be looking at thousands of dollars in medical bills and other accident-related costs. To get these bills paid and to get fair compensation, it's likely you'll need to settle your case or file a lawsuit. Semi-truck accidents are different than regular car crashes in that there may be multiple parties who are legally responsible for your injuries. The truck's driver is likely going to be one of those parties you sue after a tractor-trailer accident. It's likely that the accident was due, at least in part, to the truck driver's negligence. Any number of things may have contributed to the accident. The truck driver may have falsified their time entries to drive more hours than the time allowed under federal law. This could then mean that they were not properly rested and fell asleep or were distracted while driving. The driver may have been under the influence of drugs or alcohol at the time of the crash. The driver may not have been properly trained in how to drive a semi-truck. The driver may have been speeding or driving erratically. The trucking company who hired that truck driver may also be legally responsible for negligence if they hired an unqualified driver, if they did not train or supervise them correctly, or if they failed to maintain the truck or the trailer appropriately. If a truck maintenance company worked on the tractor or trailer, you may be able to hold them accountable for negligence if an attorney can prove that they did not perform the repairs or did not perform those repairs correctly. Finally, you may be able to sue the cargo loader if the load on the truck wasn't properly secured and this unsecured load was a cause of your wreck. There are three main types of damages that you may be eligible for after a truck accident. Economic damages. This type of damages includes medical bills, likely future medical expense, any income that you lost while healing from your accident-related injuries, and vehicle repair or replacement costs. You may also be entitled to compensation for loss of earning capacity if your injuries will impact your ability to earn money in the future. Non-economic damages. This type of compensation is for harms and losses like loss of full function of the body or mind, physical or mental pain and suffering, emotional distress, or disfigurement. Getting fair compensation for non-economic damages is more difficult than economic damages, so it is important to consult with an experienced truck accident attorney if this type of damage is a significant part of your case. Punitive damages. An award of punitive damages is rare in Iowa. Courts only allow them when you can prove the defendant's behavior was reckless or intentional. Trucking companies rarely include money for punitive damages in a settlement. Punitive damages are typically only possible if you go to trial and get a verdict in your favor. If you've been seriously injured in a semi-truck crash, you need an experienced Iowa truck accident lawyer to fight for fairness for you. Get your free, no-obligation case evaluation by contacting RSH Legal today at 1-800-433-0283.